Motorsport isn't just about the cars we drive. It's about the people, the stories, and the passion that connects us all. It's the long nights in the garage, the early mornings at the track, and the friendships built along the way. Every race, every wrench turn, every memory becomes a chapter in the story we're writing together. These are the moments we hold on to forever. My ode to the motorsport community.
I can't believe it is finally here. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Well, if you've been keeping up with the channel, you probably already know what's in this box. Now, if you're new here, welcome to Full Octane Creations, where we give you guys that motorsport good. Now, what's in this box is for the BRZ. I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. The actual unboxing is for a future video, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff to keep up with my BRZ, motorsports, and all things racing and cars. So let's open up this baby. It is time to open up the box. Alright, like I said, this is a sneak peek. Look at all that protection. Oh, she's wrapped pretty well. Oh! There. Oh my goodness! Oh! Alright, okay. Just a little sneak. That's it. That's all you get. That's right. These are the new headers for my Subaru BRZ. If you're new, I have built a BRZ for autocross that I'm slowly transitioning into time trials, and in order to be competitive in my class, we need more power, baby.
Give it a little bit more power, baby.
More power, and that's what's in here. Like I said, we're not installing them in this video. That's for a future video. We have a lot more videos to come for my Subaru BRZ, so make sure you guys follow along, have fun with us. We're all party people here. But this week, that's not what it's about. We got some stuff to do. We got some cool updates for y'all, so stay tuned throughout the video, because I'm going to be throwing some updates, some knowledge, and then we're just going to be having some fun. We got some fun stuff. Please ignore my very messy garage. We're going to clean her up, don't worry. The install is going to take place here. Full octane garage right here. Built all this myself. This is where we build the Subaru BRZ. This is where the magic happens. And I can't wait to start putting her into use again. Alright, while I'm really excited to be working in my garage again, it's been a while, that's not what we're doing right now. We're about to head over to my buddy Chris's garage and help him with his car. Alright. Cheers. Let's go. Oh, that's so good. Let's hit the road. This is Chris's garage, and this is his Accord. Now, you've seen this car in the channel before. A lot has been done to it, but I want to save that for another video. You've done more to your car than I have mine.
Think so?
Yeah, 100%.
Well, you've had that car in less time, though.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
And I put in a new flex plate. Dude, so that's, and I redid the rear end seal.
I took a lot of stuff from their motorcycles, because like, I used to work on Honda motorcycle engines.
Are they similar?
Kind of, just like from like the shifter linkage right here.
Yeah.
You know, and like
similar?
Yeah, the housing block. Because like with motorcycle transmissions, the engine is also the transmission block.
Right.
It's the same block.
Oh, cool. It's
yeah.
all in one.
Yeah.
Progress doesn't just happen alone. It happens in garages with friends, over stubborn bolts, shared tools, and plenty of laughs. This is where the heart of motorsport really lives. In the moments where we show up for each other, the moments we grow together. Now, Chris has helped so much with my car, getting it dialed in and prepared for racing. It was time for me to return the favor. Or at least try to return the favor.
Alright, dog. Even though we didn't get to fix your transmission, shit was good. It's good working on your car again to an extent.
Yes, sir.
Catching up.
Wrong one.
So, wrong torque converter for this specific transmission code. He's going to order a new one, and then we're going to replace it. And then hopefully the car will be able to start running after that. But
Oh, she'll run.
yeah, we'll update you guys on this car too. I know this car has been on the channel multiple times, and it's got a lot of cool updates to it. You guys probably overheard. But till the next time.
Not too shabby.
Yep. Alright. Peace out.
There's something special about a meet. The sound of engines, the shine of builds, the mix of stories in every corner. Everyone here shares the same passion, just expressed in their own way. Cars, bikes, imports, classics, it doesn't matter. We're all chasing that same feeling. Freedom, creativity, connection. It's everything that brings us together.
It is currently my birthday. We're gonna do some celebrating, do some appreciating, all that good stuff. First stop, caffeine.
There you go.
Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Okay, that's
You too, thanks. Cheers to staying caffeinated, staying hydrated. Let's go. Oh, it's been so long since I've had one of those. Dutch Bros 911 with the protein milk. Oh, it's so good. If coffee wasn't so expensive, I'd get Dutch Bros like every day. I would. But I'm trying to save money for the race car. Very thankful we get to do what we get to do. Very appreciative of very thankful that, you know, I get to drive this race car, and I have all the support from my friends and family. You know, the community is just great, and hopefully this video so far has shown that. But we got some more things to highlight and appreciate. But first, we have to wash the car, get some tools for the install for the headers that are coming here soon. So buckle up, buckaroo, because it's gonna be a fun one. If you haven't already hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do so. Also, if you have any things you want to say, say them in the comment section. I want to have some conversations with you guys. You know, and if you're watching, appreciate it. Appreciate it. So Harbor Freight. We got some stuff from Harbor Freight that we might need for the header install. The car is super dirty, so in order to get ready for that, we're gonna give it a wash. I love Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight's awesome. Everyone in there is super nice, super helpful. You know, another reason why, you know, I feel like there's some crossover between, you know, the do-it-yourself community and the car community and motorsport community, and definitely some crossover there. And another reason why we love these people. You know, I went in there, nothing but great customer service, helped me find what I needed, and good conversations on top of that. Plus, I've been eyeballing some of those toolboxes, those US General Harbor Freight toolboxes. If you know which ones I'm talking about, they're pretty nice. I haven't felt like I haven't wanted to spend that much money on them when I don't 100% need them yet. That's more of a purchase I might do when I get a house down the line, especially since my mom's garage is good enough for now, and any extra money I do have most likely goes to the car. So we're gonna go ahead and head on over and drop some stuff off and then clean the car. It's much needed. Cheers, folks. Cheers. Let the festivities continue. Look at the awesome shirts we've got on. Birthday gift from my lovely girlfriend, my #1 fan, always willing to support us and the community. And we are here at Gas Monkey Ice House. We can even see that. There she is. Where you got beer, food, and good times. All my favorite stuff. I grew up watching Gas Monkey on TV and then going to their Cars and Coffees that they had here in DFW. So it's really cool that they opened up their very own restaurant here right in our backyard. So we're in the Colony. We're going to try it out for my birthday. Just waiting on my mom and my sister, and we're going to go from there. Wow! Eyeballing this hat right here. I think I might get this. We'll see. Solid find so far. And just like that, with the week and the month being over, it reminded me that the motorsports community is more than just speed and lap times. It's the people and the late nights, the early mornings, and the memories that you make with them all put together that really make it stand out and make it matter. The passion, the love, the support. This is my ode to motorsports, part 2. You should go check out part 1 if you haven't already. But just a little reminder to go and appreciate, your community, your loved ones, your friends, everything. So we are about to pull in the car to get started on the header install. So make sure you guys tune in because that video is going to be good. Plus my first race in Time Attack. So make sure to follow along for that. Go over that. So we got some cool stuff coming. More updates to the BRZ and the build of my motorsports journey. So until next time, peace out everybody.